Is your SafePal hardware wallet running like a dinosaur? Let's bring it into the future with the latest firmware update and make sure your crypto is as safe as possible. First, open your SafePal app on your mobile device. Make sure your SafePal hardware wallet is connected via Bluetooth or USB. Depending on your model, you'll see a prompt on the home screen if an update is available. If not, tap the Me icon at the bottom right corner. In the Me section, scroll down and find Firmware version. Tap on it. This will show you your current firmware version and whether an update is available. If an update is available, you'll see the Upgrade Now button. Tap it. A pop-up window will appear detailing the updates. Take a quick read, then press Confirm to proceed. The app will now begin downloading the firmware update. Make sure your internet connection is stable throughout this process. Once the download is complete, the app will guide you through the installation steps. Now, follow the instructions carefully on both your SafePal app and hardware wallet. Your SafePal device will display Updating. Do not disconnect. Avoid touching or disconnecting the wallet at all costs during the upgrade. Once the update is complete, the app will display a Update Successful message. Your SafePal hardware wallet will restart automatically. Congratulations, you're all set. By keeping your SafePal hardware wallet updated, you're ensuring you have the latest security features and compatibility. Stay safe and happy hodling. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto security tips.